Explanation of are with 50 easy example sentences for daily English learning. What is are? Are is the present tense form of the verb to be used with you, we, they, plural subjects. Also used with plural nouns, dogs, teachers, students, etc. It describes a state of being, location, identity, actions in progress, when used with ing verbs. Basic usage patterns of are. 1. You/we/they are plus adjective / noun. You are happy. 2. You/we/they are plus verb ing, present continuous. They are playing. 3. You/we/they are plus prepositional phrase, place. We are at school. 4. Are plus subject plus. Questions. Are you ready? 50 example sentences using are. Describing people or things. 1. You are kind. 2. They are friends. 3. We are happy today. 4. You are smart. 5. They are my neighbors. 6. We are excited. 7. The books are on the table. 8. You are tall. 9. They are players. 10. We are ready. 11. The kids are noisy. 12. These shoes are expensive. 13. The apples are fresh. 14. You are strong. 15. We are from India. Talking about locations. 16. You are in the kitchen. 17. We are at the mall. 18. They are outside. 19. You are near the station. 20. We are on the way. 21. The documents are on the desk. 22. The phones are in the box. 23. You are at the wrong place. 24. We are in class. 25. The keys are under the pillow. Present continuous sentences. You, we. They are plus verb ing. 26. You are learning English. 27. We are watching a movie. 28. They are playing cricket. 29. You are speaking too fast. 30. We are doing our homework. 31. They are listening to music. 32. You are writing a letter. 33. We are planning a trip. 34. They are working hard. 35. You are making a mistake. 36. We are having dinner. 37. They are cooking food. 38. You are telling the truth. 39. We are helping them. 40. They are waiting for us. Questions using are. 41. Are you okay? 42. Are we late? 43. Are they coming? 44. Are you ready? 45. Are we invited? 46. Are they your friends? 47. Are you sure? 48. Are we going now? 49. Are they in the room? 50. Are you feeling well?